What's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Riverview, Florida. We're gonna be doing a paver sealing job. This is gonna be the second time I ever done this. We're gonna be doing 2 paver sealing jobs in one day. The second one is in Apollo Beach, which is about 20-25 minutes away from here. So it's gonna be a full day. The one's gonna help me out with these 2 jobs. Last time I did this by myself, and I'll never do it again because that was a lot of work. So with the one being here today, we're gonna get this done, and that'll be much easier on me. We're gonna clean these pavers here, and then go clean the other one, come back here, sand and seal this, and then go back over there, sand and seal that one over there to get everything done. We're gonna be using Silica sand to sand the pavers, and we're gonna be using UreSeal H2O gloss to apply on the pavers. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got any questions, just ask. I answer my questions right here. This is where you ask your questions, all right? I'm gonna show you guys the job, and we get going here. It's early in the morning, just about 8 o'clock. I was actually parked down the street at like 7:40, and the customer is a firefighter. So when he passed by, he was like, "Hey, you wanna start? You can go ahead and get started." So, that helped us out because my appointment was for 8. I didn't want to come here, at 7:40 and start moving around stuff. So let's check the job out. All right, so the pavers start back here. You got like a little small walkway. This was installed not too long ago, and the customer had cleaned these some months back, but they hadn't sealed them. So we're gonna definitely do that. The joints are empty. Definitely need to be resanded. And they have a patio inside here that's covered that we're gonna do as well. You can already tell these pavers are gonna look really, really good, especially the ones in there. They're shaded from the sun, so they'll hold their luster longer. We're gonna apply some SH down, which is chlorine, and then we're gonna surface clean them. Give them some time to dry, come back and do our dry sand. I was gonna do wet sand, which we may still do. I'll decide when I get to that part. We got 4 bags of sand. The other one we're gonna be doing is gonna be a driveway. So now the pavers are clean and rinsed off. We're gonna give them a few hours to dry. 8:21 right now in the morning. So we're gonna give them about, give or take, 2 hours to up to 3 hours. Maybe 3, because they have that lanai back there that's covered. Out here is probably gonna drop real fast. It's already 80 something degrees right now at 8:20 in the morning. So the pavers are clean. Like I said, in here it's gonna take a little longer. They cut the ceiling fans on. That's gonna aid everything in here to dry. And we'll be back in a few. We're gonna go clean the other pavers. It's a driveway, so it's gonna be much easier in an open area. So We're gonna pack it up and head down to Apollo Beach. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be back at the next job. Okay, we at the second stop right now. We're in Apollo Beach, Florida. We're gonna be doing a driveway, paver sealing. This is a new construction neighborhood, so pavers are pretty new. Customers moved in about 3-4 months ago, so we're gonna clean and seal these pavers. So let's check it out. All right, these are the pavers. They're pretty pale, no color whatsoever. You guys can see how pale they are. Sand level on these are not too bad. Looks pretty good actually. But I know we're gonna knock some of it off when we clean, so we're gonna replace it before we seal. It's gonna be pretty hot today, so these gonna dry up pretty fast, probably faster than the other one. But by the time we get back, they'll be ready to go. Look like they got that place sand in there. The sidewalks are pretty new, so we're not gonna you know, surface clean the sidewalks. So we're just gonna soft wash them. We're gonna apply the SH and then rinse it off. All right, let's go. Clean and rinsed. Rinse the sidewalks, curbs. Like I said, we didn't pressure wash them, we just rinsed them with the ball valve. These pavers gonna look good when we're done. All the play sand came out of it, so these joints are empty now. That real soft sand. We don't use silica sand when we come back. I think what we'll do is we'll probably just kill time on this side. We're only 20 minutes away from the other spot. And we'll go ahead and sand and seal these and then go up, because we gotta go up through Riverview to get to Tampa back home. So there's no point of going back and forth. So we'll be back when these dry to sand and seal. Y'all stay tuned. We're back at the job. Right now it is almost 12 o'clock. We left here at like 9:30. Most of it is dry. Over here got a little bit of damp spots. We're gonna give them some time not to put the sand there because it's gonna get clumped up. That stuff should go away by the time we get the rest of it done. Like I said, we're gonna dry sand. Hey, don't push it over the wet stuff. We're gonna do dry sand here. Shouldn't take us too long with just 2 of us. And the rain was supposed to come at 11 o'clock. It was like 80%, but nothing happened. So we're definitely lucky. So we're gonna start sanding this thing, and should be out of here about 2 hours. Should be done by 2 hours, and then go back to the first one. sand in the joints. Get out the shade so I can show you guys. Blew the excess off. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're mixing our sealer now. We're gonna apply our first coat. We're gonna do a 3-to-1 ratio. 3 part sealer, 1 part water, and then we're gonna follow up with the 2-to-1 top coat. Maybe we'll do 1-to-1. We'll see how much sealer we got left. This is about 900 square feet. All right, y'all, we all done here. This is the project. This is the Pavers. Completely different look from this morning. Just about 2 o'clock. Thought we'd be getting done by 2 o'clock, which is perfect. Put up some ribbon so nobody drives on there. I want to let them sit and you know, cure before we do any kind of driving on there. I normally say about 2 to 3 days. Yes, sir. What do you guys think? Let me know. We're gonna pack up and go to the next job. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we're back at the first job we did this morning. Cleaned up. 254. See what it look like now. These gonna definitely pop. They got that smooth surface on the top of them. We're gonna sand these up. Shouldn't take too long. This is about 650 square feet, so not too much. Got some sand over here across the wall. We'll get that with the brooms. All right, guys, let's sit up and go. And here was worrying me because it's over concrete, but they had the fans on and everything dried up pretty good. So we'll get started. Sand is down now. We're gonna blow the excess off. Took about 20 minutes to get everything done. The one is done back here. I'm gonna blow it off and we should be putting the sealer down in no time. Y'all, we got the first coat down. These pavers are looking mighty good. It's the first coat. We're gonna do 2 coats. Gonna let it dry up. Let's look at the inside. Inside looking good too. Alright, you guys stay tuned for the second coat and recap. That's all she wrote. Let's check the time. 4:35. So pretty good time in the day. 2 paver sealing jobs, sand and seal, 2 coats. Came out great. Let's check it out. All right, this is the back here. That is a good looking set of pavers, man. Ooh-wee. This is the inside here. Looking real good. Alright, y'all, well, that's it for the day. 2 jobs, man. It's good timing. We're gonna catch some traffic home, but it is what it is. I appreciate y'all checking the video out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell for new content. Shout out to my man, the one with L&L. What L&L stand for?
Love and loyalty.
Love and loyalty. What is it? L&L what?
Management services.
Management services. He managed stuff, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.